Hi first graders, today we are starting Unit 2 and we're going to be working on representing addition. But before we get started, we want to look at our number patterns, and I want you to think to yourself, what do I notice about the two columns of numbers? So here we start with 0, and once we get to 5 and 6, you start to see something happening. Remember when we learned about the 5 groups and we had some numbers below? And when we get to 10, it put like a little oval box around it. So sometimes we call that a 10 frame. So I see a 10 frame and extra ones, 10 frame, extra ones. So each T number has one group of 10 and extra ones, and that will help us as we move forward throughout our unit and all the math we learn this year. So in this unit, we will learn about addition and subtraction strategies. Today we're focusing on adding with pictures. So what strategies do you use to solve addition and subtraction problems? Well, some of us might use our fingers, and that's totally okay. Some of us might think about the bigger number and count up from that. Some of us might draw pictures, and that's all okay. So today we're going to be working on the pictures and move up from there. So listen to this story and think about, what are the partners and what is the total? 3 people come to a picnic in cars. Then 2 more people come on bicycles. A total of 5 people come to the picnic. Okay, let's draw it to figure it out. Okay, so I'm not very good at drawing yet. I'm still working on it. I'm just going to use circles for now to represent our people. Okay, so here's 1 person, 2 people, 3 people came in cars, okay, and then 2 more people come on bicycles. 2 more. Adding or subtracting if there's 2 more? You're right, we're adding. So we're going to show that with the break apart stick like we did in the past units. So this is the symbol for adding. So 3 people came in the cars plus 2 more came on bikes. These are the people that came on bikes. And a total of 5 people came to the picnic. So we have 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Okay, and then I'm going to show you what that looks like in a math mountain. Okay, and remember when we talk about math mountains, our total always goes at the top, and we decided that was 5. And the numbers that partner with 5 are 3 and 2. Good, let's do some more. If you have a scrap piece of paper or something, or even that math board, I don't have one next to me, but even that math board would be a great place to work these out with your dry erase marker. I buy 3 pencils. You buy 4 pencils. How many do we have all together? Okay, I'm going to give you a clue. When you hear all together, that usually means the total. So it sounds like we're looking for the total. Let's draw a picture. I buy 3 pencils. Okay, I'll draw my best pencil. Here's a pencil. 1, 2 pencils, 3 pencils. Okay, that's how many I buy. I'm going to write that up here, 3. And you buy 4. So I'm going to draw my big line here. That's for plus, remember? And you buy 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 pencils. So we have 3 plus 4. How many do we have all together? Okay, we could count them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Or we could start from the bigger one. We know that there's 4 over here. So we could say 4, 5, 6, 7. Either way, we end up with the same amount. When we go to make our math mountain, we have 7 at the top because that's our total, and the total always goes at the top. What partners of 7 did we use this time? We used 3 and 4. Okay, this one you're going to do by yourself, so pause the video. I want you to give it your own try, and then when you're all completely finished drawing your picture, writing the equation and the math mountain, check back in with me to see how you did. Okay, go ahead, pause the video. Okay, welcome back. If you are finished with your problem, let's see how you did. So I see 5 red balloons, so I draw my balloons, even though I'm not the best at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 red balloons. I'm going to write that up here, 5. And you see 2 balloons, 2 blue balloons, okay? How many do we see all together? Sounds like we're looking for that total again. We're going to draw our break apart line, put our addition sign, and draw your balloons. And you you saw 2. We have to find out how many we saw all together. So we can count them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Or we could count on, knowing that we have 5 over here, we could say 5, 6, 7. And in our math mountain, our total is 7. That's how many we saw all together. And our partners are 5 and 2. Is that what you got? I bet you were right. All right, if you could put those materials to the side, grab your math workbook. Today in our math workbook, we are on page 43. Page 43 in your math workbook. I'm going to do numbers 1 and 2 with you, and then give you some time to do 3 and 4, but I will make sure that you know what we're doing. I'll give you the answers. So the directions say, oh yeah, please write your name. First thing on your paper is your name. Write the partners and the total are the directions. Okay, so I can see that there's a partner here, my break apart, which represents plus, and then my other partner over here. Let's count them together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Plus, that's right here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so 5 and 4 partner together to make what? You can count them all, you can use your fingers, or you can count on. What did you end up with? If you said 9, you are correct. Let's try another one together. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. First partner is 6. Break apart, which means plus. 1, 2, 3, 4. 6 and 4 partner together to make, well, we could try our fingers, 6 and 4. We could count them all, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Or we could start at 6 and count up, 7, 8, 9, 10. Either way, we end up with 10. Okay, please try 3, 4, 5, and 6 on your own. Moms and dads can check that. Okay, I'm sure you'll do just fine though because you're all very good at counting. Number 7 says, draw a picture of flowers to show 4 plus 2. Write the total. So we would have 4 flowers, and then a break apart stick, and then 2 more flowers, and the total would be here on the bottom. Okay, so I'm just going to draw circles for my flowers because I'm not very good with this pen here. 1, 2, 3, yep, it's tricky. 4, 4, plus 2. And remember, you can draw flowers. I just have a really hard time using this pen on the smartboard. And our total, 4, 5, 6. Okay? Turn the page, please. Okay, here we're going to write the partners and the total. So here we have 1, 2, plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here are the partners. Here, right here, it says total. How many beach balls are there total? Count them out. Did you get 8? Me too. Okay, now we're looking to our math mountain. We want to see how can we put these numbers in our math mountain. Remember, the total always goes at the top. We take our total, put it at the top. Let's take our two partners, the one on this side and then the one on this side, put them into the bottom of our math mountain where the partners go. Okay, I'll do one more with you. Let's count the paintbrushes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Plus 1, 2, 3. 4 and 3 partnered together to make, count them out, 7. Good. And remember, our total goes at the top, and our partners go at the bottom. Could you please try number 10 on your own? And then check for understanding. We're going to skip it today. Okay? Thank you very much. All right, what I need from you please grab your math packet that looks like this. Okay, it shows that the pictures. Okay, just like this. All right, so your job today is to do homework 2.1 and then open the page. And then do 2.1 remembering. And remember, the remembering is always review. So those are things that you should be able to do by yourself. Moms and dads can read you the directions, but hopefully you can do that part independently. All right, I look forward to hearing from you, and I will see you tomorrow.